87.9. You hear that it's still static. Let's see how good it works. Okay. Hit play. So it even turns regular radios and it makes a Bluetooth to your phone so you can play your music. Again, if you don't have Spotify, maybe you have Slacker Radio. I'll go to Slacker and go from there. And it works that great, guys. I bought this at iPhone.fmtransmitter.com. It really does work. I saw it on Gizmo Guy's page on Facebook. So I recommend anyone that has a older radio in your vehicle or does not have Bluetooth capabilities or an auxiliary port to buy it. It's a good little device, and I know I'm going to enjoy it. Thank you for your time, and again, go to iPhonetransmitter.com and purchase one, and I saw it on Gizmo Guy's Facebook page.